Hi guys, it's Bernadette, and today I'm so excited to be sharing an unboxing with you. I was sent some watercolors from a subscriber who is now a friend, and I haven't opened these yet, and I'm really excited to open them and see what the watercolors look like. Look how adorable this box is. Olaf, she knows I love Disney, so it's just perfect for me. I did go ahead and already break the seal so that it would make it easier for me to open. Oh, it's packaged so nicely too. Look at this. With this pretty ribbon and tissue paper. So let's see here. She did pour these herself. And these are Daniel Smith watercolors. Oh, tape is a little tough to get off. Let me just grab a scissor. There we go. And I am just thrilled to death to be receiving this, and it means so much to me. Okay, so here she wrote the colors down. So she gave me Moon Glow, Duochrome Mauve, Duochrome Adobe, Duochrome Desert Bronze, Duochrome Hibiscus, Lunar Black, Pink Color, Duo Cactus Flower, Duo Oceanic, Sennelier, or I'm not sure how to pronounce those other two, and then Iridescent Scarab Red. And it says, to my new artsy friend, happy painting, Merry Christmas, love, Terry. Oh, so thank you so much, Terry. You don't know what it means to me to have you send me this gift. It is so sweet in a cute little tin. I can't wait to get my fingers on these and to swatch them. Nicely protected here. Wow, what a sweet and thoughtful gift. I'm going to go ahead and squirt these with some water here to get them slightly activated. And I'm going to get my water ready here as well so that I can swatch them out. And I did grab two cards, one black and one white, to swatch them. This is so exciting. Okay. Whoops, looks like that one kind of got in that one. No harm, no foul. Just move it into its own little home there. And I am going to start, let's see, this is Moon Glow. So I'm going to start with the Moon Glow. Oh, look at that color. It's almost like eggplant. It's a little darker than an eggplant, maybe. Oh, that is just beautiful. Oh my gosh. And I think I mentioned before, these are Daniel Smith watercolors that she sent me. So how generous, right? Absolutely wonderful. Let me just grab a paper towel here. Dry off my brush. And then the next we're going to swatch is the mauve. And most of these are duochrome. Oh, look at that shimmer. Holy cow. It is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait till these dry and I see what they look like. Dry. The next color I am going to do is Duochrome Adobe. Oh, beautiful. Again, shimmery. Now we're going to do Duo Desert Bronze. And you can just see the green shift in here. It's just spectacular. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Oops, I forgot to swatch these on black paper. So I'm thinking this first one, I'll try it, but I'm thinking it's not going to show up. No, it's not going to show up. I didn't think so. But let's try the duochrome colors. Yep, that shows up. Looks very purplish. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Now we're going to do this is the bronze that I just put on my brush now. Oh, look at that green shift. Beautiful. Okay, now we are to the hibiscus. I can't wait to do artwork with these. I think watercolors are my favorite, just because they have so many variations in the colors, and oh, that is spectacular. Okay, now we're going to go down to the pink. I'm wondering if these didn't get out of order somehow, because this is definitely not pink. Let's look on the other side. Yeah, bottom left to right. I'm thinking these got switched somehow in the delivery process, but it doesn't matter. They're gorgeous. And I don't necessarily need to know the colors. So I'm going to stop mentioning the colors, because if these are mixed up, I don't want to give you guys bad information. So I'm just going to swatch away here. And these are drying so vibrant on this black paper too. So beautiful. This green. Beautiful. Oh, so shimmery. Oh, that has a real gold shift to it on the black. That's very vibrant on black. Now let's go to the blue. And my guess is this blue's not going to show up on black, but I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, that is spectacular. I do not own a blue color like this at all. Actually, I don't own any colors like these whatsoever. So let me try it on the black now. Oh, it does show up. Holy cow. And it's vibrant too. And then we have one more. Oh, beautiful. And I'm guessing this will show up on black because it looks like it has that shift in it. I'm going to move this out of the way, and I am going to hit this with a quick dry. There we go. Normally I don't like to dry my watercolors. I like to let them dry naturally. Oh, I forgot to swatch the black. I thought I was done. I lied. One more. That is great. Well, here are the colors on black. The ones that I swatched, you can see them. They have beautiful shimmer and they are very iridescent. This blue one isn't completely dry yet, but it does show up very well on this black paper. And of course, this is what they look like on white paper, or like a light cream or eggshell color of paper. So Terry, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for this wonderful gift. I appreciate it so much. And that's it, guys. If you aren't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, like my videos, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.